In this tutorial, you are going to learn how to make a PowerPoint game like Family Feud. This is going to be based on a freely available template. The first thing you are going to need to do is download a template file that you can modify to your own game style. Visit the website www.mediafire.com/mo5gmn22zwj. Then click the green Download button. A file will begin to download to your computer. When it is finished, click on the arrow next to it and click Show in Folder. It is a compressed file, so decompress it using your preferred program. Once done, open the PowerPoint file found within. You can see a series of slides running down the left of the page, and they do look rather messy, but this is simply because there are many animations involved in the presentation. The first thing we are going to need to do is customize the answers. Make sure that the first slide is selected and move the Family Feud logo out of the way. Behind, you can see there are several answers as you would expect in this game. Change these to whatever the results are you want to use. You should also change the numbers on the right. As you can see here, they are misaligned, so fix this problem as well. When done, move the logo back over the answers. You can repeat this process for the first 5 slides, which should give a decent length game. You can also see that each slide has the question written in the comments box. You should make sure that you do this for your slides as well. Now go to the 9th and final slide, and you are going to need to enter the names of the 2 families, or contestants of any form, who are playing in your game. This is where their scores will go. Now that the game is largely set up, click back onto slide 1 and then click the icon to run the slideshow. Click anywhere on the screen and the first round will begin. Once you have asked your contestants the questions, reveal the answers by clicking on the appropriate number as they go. If they get one wrong, click on the number in the bottom right to eliminate a life. When the round is over, you can click S to go to the score page and enter the complete score for the round. Proceed with the rest of the game just as you did for the first round, and that is how to make PowerPoint games like Family Feud.